like the title says, today we're gonna be working with the hot comb. Okay, I'm holding it all the way over here because she's fresh off the stove. My hot comb wasn't very seasoned before, but it looks like it's seasoned now, don't it? You want to leave this on the stove until it gets nice and hot. I have a gas stove. I've done this on electric stoves though. It just takes longer with electric, but either way, you'll be able to get it hot. Now, your first test, I know you might be thinking, oh, I need to go ahead and use this as soon as it's hot. This is not a flat iron, baby. Did you hear what I said? This is not a flat iron, and this is not one of those electric ones, okay? The heat from this is very real. You're gonna wanna do the paper towel test. That's what I call it. Okay, do you see that burn mark on there? That's from this. That's how I know this thing is scorching hot. I would suggest you do not need to put this on your hair if it's still burning the paper towel. So you wanna just like give it a minute, because this thing is like hot to the core, okay? Right now it's like, I don't know if you can see that right there. It's a little brown. It's not, did I leave my gas on? Oh. Y'all, I had left the stove going and everything. All right, so it's almost like set, okay? Time for us to like start getting our hair prepared. So this is just freshly blow dried hair. Y'all know my rule. Don't you be trying to press nothing that's dirty. Actually, no, I can't. You see that? I left it down there for a little bit longer. It still burned the flat iron, so we have some more time to talk. Now, there are two ways that you can go about doing this. Pressing your roots, hot combing your roots, whatever you want to call it. I today am just going to be getting right here up on my part and along my edges. Now, if you're trying to use this as a method to like really straighten out your roots, you're gonna want to take your hair in much smaller sections and comb through. But what I will tell you is you're gonna be making trips back and forth from the stove and then to wherever you're doing your hair, okay? So just keep that in mind. Okay, so I feel like she's pretty good now. I just kind of section off piece of hair. I want to pull it taut because that's what I want it to end up looking like. And I'm just going ever so lightly. And also with the hot comb too, like you can feel it. Like this metal is hot because I can feel it in the wood down here. And what you're gonna want to do is, as you're picking up these sections of hair, pushing the flat iron against it, and that will help straighten it out. I don't know if you guys can see, but on the back of my flat iron too, it kind of has like these ridges on it that mimic like a comb. Because what like the real stylists do, they press it down and they pull it down like that. That's how I've seen them do it. Some people might not, but I've seen them do it and I know that's what that's meant for. Now I'm gonna hit, ooh, like this handle is hot, babe. I'm gonna hit the edges up here. It just helps if you just hold your hair up. You might have seen your stylist do that to really get in there, okay? Now if your hair starts curling up immediately as you're doing this and it turns gray, your hot comb is too hot and you done burnt your hair off. I'm not even lying to you. Like I've done that before. I one time singed off like a full chunk of my hair. And I can feel it's like cooling, so I want to start to move quickly. So it's not a major difference because one, I let mine cool down quite a bit, but you can see that my edges are straightened out a bit more on this side, except for like right here, because look, that's too close to my skin, baby. That's just going to be. And my roots on my part, this side to this side, are straighter. So I'm gonna start doing this side. She's really cooled down now. This side isn't gonna be as straight, but it's straighter, it's fine. That is how I use a hot comb, y'all. I hope this was helpful for you. If you don't want to use the electric, if you're trying to go like super old school, just please be careful because this is a very hot tool. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.